Today I'm gonna tell you about Facebook certifications and how you can succeed in Facebook business. Facebook business is a very good way to promote your product, promote your business, or move your business to next limit. And there are like 3 billion people use Facebook, and about like um, so there are like 1.8 or something always, like every day they use Facebook. At least they get active on Facebook. So if you know the tricks to promote your business on Facebook, it will be very beneficial for your business and for your products. So for this, I want to talk specifically with Facebook certifications today, which is Blueprint by Facebook. This is a very good program Facebook teams created, which will show you, and you can learn how truly and how good you can market your products and business. So how you will get that content of Blueprint? So first of all, you have to go to facebook.com/blueprint, and it will show you all the information about the Blueprint certification and course. So when you will go there, you will see all the insights and stuff like that. So you see, it's telling you whatever you have, what is in progress. There are all the information you have. You can view the course, like how to create and manage a Facebook page for your business, and step by step guides, best practices, testimonials, everything you will have. You can start the course right here, and you can even start the course about the Instagram. You can browse other advanced level courses like Pixel and these kind of things. So you don't need to buy any courses, or you don't need to buy any watch any YouTube videos. The content is very well written on the Facebook website, and it's like inside story. You will find inside story here, and then after, it's a step by step, and it will not let you move to the next step until you will complete the first learning or first step. Like, let's say if we take this course, it will give you all the steps in very well way. Like, first it will go for get started with marketing on Facebook. It will tell you what is the best way to market, where to market, how to market. And also, even the best thing is, it will tell you how to produce your content, how to um, how to show these things to the world, and how you create the graphics or video or things like that. And also, like, how you will grow your page, how you will what are the essential things for Facebook posts, and also how you will measure your performance of the Facebook page, and these kind of things. And then when you will complete all these modules, you can go for the Blueprint certifications. That is very good. That's a very good resource to and test your skills. And if you're um, trying to pursue your career as a social media marketer, this tool and this certification will help you a lot in your career. So you can go here and you can just see what are the certifications there. And if, let's say, this is the certification and you want to do this certification, Facebook Certified Ads Product Developer 1, if you're a developer. So this is for developers, this is not for end user. So let's move actually to the end user one, which can benefit all of them. So Facebook Certified Digital Marketing Associate. If you go to learn more, it will move to this screen. And if you want to prepare certification about only this course, you can go explore the resources. You can learn from here, learn with Blueprint, test your skills, or take exams. So let's say I'm saying I need to learn, so you just click here, and it will just pull up all the information you need, all the course you need, and then you can just learn from here and keep moving. So I advise all the social media marketers or digital marketing specialists to have this course done and also have this certification done. It will help a lot in your career. And also, if you're not the professional marketer, or maybe not it's not your job thing, and you own a business, you must have this one as well. So whenever you get time, just learn this thing. This is a very good thing, and it tells you all the tricks about the marketing. It tells you how you can promote social media, how you can promote your content, also your product, your business on Facebook and Instagram. Instagram is now becoming a sensation among the young generation. So these courses will tell you how you will advertise your product on Facebook and Instagram. So please let me know if you have any questions, and please let me know in comments that what kind of videos you want me to make. So my last advice is, don't run for YouTube videos, don't run for the paid courses for Facebook advertisement. Just have this course. This is free of charge here to learn. There is a fee for the certification, but to learn here there's no charge. So I advise every one of you to have this course done. Thank you so much.